Congress has ordered the Federal Aviation Administration to open U.S. skies to drones by 2015. But we've already told you those drones are vulnerable to hacking. So what does that mean for you? Here's senior national correspondent John Roberts with a hearing about that today on Capitol Hill.
This is astounding that you could hijack a UAV and bring it down.
It was our Fox News exclusive report on hacking a drone's GPS guidance system that prompted today's inquiry. Committee members hearing how Professor Todd Humphreys of the University of Texas took control of a drone from half a mile away.
5 or 10 years from now, we haven't fixed the problem. Now the drones are much larger, maybe delivering FedEx packages. I don't want it to get to that point before we say, okay, it's a problem.
Chairman Mike McCaul wanted answers from the Department of Homeland Security about what they were doing to address the problem. But DHS refused to send a witness to the hearing.
I find that reprehensible. I believe the department should come before this committee to answer why they believe they should not have a role in this.
Years ago, the Government Accountability Office recommended DHS take the lead on drone security. So far, they haven't.
Why has the Department of Homeland Security been so slow to develop policies and guidance related to the domestic use of drones?
That's a good question, sir, and we've not been able to get an answer.
The anxiety at today's hearing went beyond hijacking. Privacy continues to be a huge concern, with drones that can stay aloft for 48 hours and literally see into homes with thermal imaging.
Privacy laws are totally inadequate. The privacy common law is even more inadequate. In fact, what we look at is a quote-unquote reasonable expectation of privacy is totally going to be changed by the use of drones.
The drone industry says it's willing to work with all levels of government to address the issues. Congressman McCaul, who voted to allow drones in U.S. airspace, acknowledged he didn't have all the information when he said aye.
But I think maybe this is a little bit of an eye-opener for a lot of lawmakers, to be honest with you.
A DHS official told me they didn't come to today's hearing because drones are the FAA's jurisdiction, not theirs. The official added if Congress is so concerned about security and privacy now, why didn't they give it a little more thought back in February before they voted to unleash drones in U.S. airspace? Brett?
John Roberts on the Hill. John, thank you.